आवाज. हॅलो, ऐकायला येते का? हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हा, ऐकायला येते का आवाज?
हो येतोय.
मुलं अजून जॉईन होतात का काय? हॅलो. रेकॉर्डिंग झाली ना. विंडोज बघायची का? स्लाइड दिसती का ग? पीपीटी दिसती का ग? पीपीटी दिसते का ग?
नाही, पीपीटी दिसत आहे.
हे प्राजक्ता, पीपीटी का दिसत नाही ग? पीपीटी दिसत नाही, मिनिमाइज केली. प्रेझेंट नाव म्हणायचं. विंडोज क्लिक केली. शेअर म्हणा. शेअर म्हणा. इथं करावं लागतं ग, बरं क्लिक करायला लागतं. शेअर कर बरं. दिसते का ग पीपीटी? हॅलो, आता स्क्रीन. हॅलो,
नाही दिसत आहे मिस.
नाही दिसत. कसं पण दिसत शेअर झाली की पीपीटी. पण इथं यायला पाहिजे ना, इथनं काढतो ना आपण पीपीटी. आता इथनं घ्यावं मला. काही येत नाही, काय माहिती. आवडते मिनिमाइज केलं. पीपीटी दिसायला पाहिजे. दिसत नाही बघा, असं होतं काय. यू आर प्रेझेंटिंग टॉप प्रेझेंट. असं दिसायला पाहिजे ऍक्च्युली. हॅलो, पीपीटी दिसते का ग? हॅलो, शेअर म्हणा.
नाही दिसत.
नाही दिसत. असं होतं. पीपीटी इथनच काढतो ना आपण, यायला पाहिजे ना, येतच नाही. बरं राहू द्यायचं. चला, काय आता आवडत आहे रे. हॅलो, तर टुडेज लेक्चर. कोण आहे? अभिषेक शिंदे. कोण आहे अभिषेक शिंदे? तुमचं हे करा जरा. अक्षदा शिंदे कोण आहे? हॅलो, हॅलो, आवाज येते का ऐकायला? हॅलो, वैष्णवी.
येस मॅम. येतोय.
हा, ऐकायला येते का आवाज माझा?
हा, येतोय.
काय माहिती, पीपीटी दिसत नाही ग. पीपीटी काय झाले, प्रॉब्लेम आलाय.
मॅम तुम्ही मगाशी स्क्रीन शेअर केलेली ना, तशी स्क्रीन शेअर केली आणि नंतर पीपीटी ओपन केली तर दिसेल.
आता पीपीटी ओपन केली मी. आता मिनिमाइज करते. काय
हा, आणि मग स्क्रीन शेअर करा आणि मग परत पीपीटी ओपन करा.
आता दिसते का ग?
नाही मिस.
दिसते का आता? हॅलो,
स्क्रीन दिसते तुमची. पीपीटी शेअर करा. आता पीपीटी ओपन केली तर दिसेल.
पीपीटी ओपन करू का? काय
हा.
प्रॉब्लेम. दिसते का? आता दिसते का?
हा, दिसते आता.
दिसते ना. हा, चालेल. आवाज ऐकायला येते का माझा?
येतोय मिस.
येतोय ना. हा, तर आता टुडेज लेक्चर जनरली the beekeeping equipment. Beekeeping equipment. So generally, beekeeping equipment is a commercial unit of the apiculture. Due to the lack of the knowledge, this branch is not much popular in India, but in the Western countries, even the people of the India do not know that can be profitable profession such as the poultry farming, vermiculture technology, sericulture, pisciculture, horticulture, etc. These people generally are not familiar to the technicians of the beekeeping and its management. Generally, the in the beekeeping methods, the modern methods of the beekeeping are well equipped to the peoples. The some methods generally it is the old or the modern methods of the equipments. They have to discuss this in your syllabus. The primitive or indigenous method. In the primitive or the indigenous methods, there are two types of the hives are used in the indigenous method. For example, wall or fixed hive and the movable hive. The first method is the indigenous method, the wall or the fixed hive. In this method, it is a purely natural type of the comb because the bees prepare the hive at any space or any site on the walls or sometimes in the trees or the external entrance and the observation of the holes. That method which is commonly called as the wall or the fixed hive. And the second method is the movable type. In this type, it comprises the providing a basket or the empty boxes followed by the logs, bamboo and the reeds, mud pipes, earthen pots, etc. placed in the verandas of the houses. There are two holes, one for the entrance and the other for the exit of the bees. These protect the bees from rain and the sun. Indigenous method of the beekeeping suffers from the number of the drawbacks due to which it is not recommended in the present day for the scientist. And in your diagram, in the diagrams, the modern methods or the frame hive methods, which is commonly known as the Langhorst hives. Langhorst hives generally, these are methods generally they have also used. This is the commercial beekeeping methods of the frame hive methods. In these methods, it is a good keepers requires number of the equipments such as the bee box, hive stand, frames comb, foundation comb sheet, bee escape, smoker, queen excluder, hive tools, feeder, honey extractor, uncapping a knife, bee brush, bee weevil, queen cell protector, etc. These are the number of the equipments in the bee hive or the beekeeping. To overcome a drawback of the old method, in the advanced method based on the scientific facts has been developed. It is opened for the cotton industry in India. Nowadays, it is a typical or the movable hive is constructed which is capable of the expansion or the contraction according to the requirements, the place, season or the climatic conditions. The artificial movable frame hive is a rectangular wooden box based on the bee space theory. Generally, the hives are fitted with the movable frames on which the bees are compelled to build their combs. Each hive is composed of the several small boxes, one on the top of the other, which is a suspended hive frames. The lower boxes, one or two, are the keeping a brood, and the upper boxes are used as the store the honey extractor. Generally, beekeeping brood, the upper boxes generally they are used to store the honey, to store the pollen propolis. At present, both single-walled box hives and the double-walled hive are used all the world. Currently, there are 5 hives are in the uh, modern methods. The Smith British Commercial, Langhorne Newton, and modified the Dedant types. Smith and the British type are confined to Britain only. The architecture and the principle, all the boxes is the same, but they differ in dimensions and the number of the frames. The Legrand in 1851 used a wooden box. This is like diagrammatically sketch. Generally, this is the wooden box, a single brood box hive, but it has found good for the queen, but enough for the other. So nowadays, 2 boxes are used as the brood chambers and equal number of the honey supers for the collection of the honey. The Langstroth, in the Langstroth, the 10 frame hive and the Newton frame hives are more in use other than types of the India for the keeping the bee colonies in the aspiary. It is composed of the following parts are present. Generally, this is the stand. This is the stand in a diagrammatically sketch. So this is the diagrammatically sketch of the Langrand hives. This is the stand. This is the stand. This is the bottom board. This is the super. This is the queen extractor. This is the honey supers, and this is the outer cover and the inner cover. These are the diagrammatically following parts. They are present: stand, floor board, brood box, hive frames, queen excluder, supers, and the covers. So these are the Langstroth constructions of the hives. The details of the constructions are as follows. The first part is the stand. You see the stand. These are the stand. In these stand, any 4 structure stand 6 to 9 inches height with dimension to support the floor board on which the whole hive is constructed. The stands are adjusted to make slope for the hive which drain of rainwaters. Rainwater generally they are drains. The main purpose of this stand is to support the box. These are the box, they support to the stand, and to prevent the entry of the ants or other insects. This stand generally they becomes essential. This is the first part of the hives, bee hives. Second is the bottom board. This second part is the bottom board. These board it is situated above the stand. स्टँडच्या वरच्या बाजूला जो असतो त्याला बॉटम बोर्ड म्हणतो, and forms the proper base for the hive, having 2 gates of the front position. There are 2 gates are present in the front position. One gate is used for the entrance and the other gate for the exit. These are the entrance. The 2 holes generally they are present, exit and the entrance to the higher to the bee. One gate is used for the entrance while the other is the exit for the bees. It can be constructed either taking a piece of the wood 22 long or the 16 to 14 broad and 7 to 8 inches thick, or by joining 2 wooden boards together. 2 boards generally they are together, and the position of the wooden rods along each end of the longer side is a wooden rod The length of this wooden rod is 22 long, 7 to 8 inches broad, and 7 to 8 inches thick. And another wooden rod 14 to 7 to 8 inches is nailed at the back, and this entrance is 3 inches long and 3 to 8 inches deep in the middle. Middle part generally they becomes a deepened, and the other part generally they becomes the length or the size or the depth, it is a different. The next point is the brood chamber. This is the brood chamber. This part is the deep super or the brood chamber. This part is commonly called as the brood chamber. The bottom board carries the brood chamber, which is the most important part of the beehive. Brood chamber is a rectangular box. This is the rectangular shape in a structure without the top and the bottom. It is prepared of the thick wood of 7 to 8 thick. The brood chamber is 20 inches from outside. Outside la हे 20 inches generally they are represent, and the 18th inches from inside the length, and the breadth of these box is 16 inches outside and 14.5 inches inside, and its height is generally height of these boxes is 9 to 1/2 inches and 5 to 8.5 inches deep and 1 to 1/2 inches wide to cut along the entire box to receive the ends of the top bar of the hive frames. The number of the brood boxes could be increased to when the colony becomes strong. Colony generally they becomes strong. It is provided with the 10 frames. These are the 10 frames are present in the brood chamber. The next part is the standard Lexmark frame. Generally, each wooden frame composed of the top bar. This is the top bar. This is a structure generally is the top bar or the top cover. And there are two types of the frames. The first is the Hoffman type and the Staple type. The Hoffman type means a self-spacing frame. The top bar is, this is the top bar, the outer cover. These are top bar generally 19 inches long, 1 inches wide, and 7 to 8 inches thick. The ends of the top bar extend beyond the rest to the rabbet scooped on the long sides of the brood boxes. Under the surface is a groove, and for the fixing the edges of the comb foundation sheet. म्हणजे comb foundation sheet त्याच्यामध्ये हे काय केलं जातं, प्रेस केलं जातं त्या टॉप बार मध्ये. नेक्स्ट इज द साइड बार. Side bar generally they are present in these structure. This is the side bar generally. In the side bar it is 19 to 1/2 inches long, and it is made up from 3 to 8 inches thick wood, which is cut out from the middle portion at either end to accommodate the top and the bottom bars respectively. There are 4 holes. Generally, there are 4 holes in each side bar for wiring the frame. 4 holes generally they are present. These are the 4 holes which are present in each bar. The next is the bottom bar. Bottom bar. In the bottom bar, generally the each bottom bar length of this bar is 17 to 58 inches, 3 to 4 inches wide and 3 to 8 inches thick. And the second is the staple spacing frame. Staple spacing frame means the top bar. This is the top bar. These are the top bar. This is the inner cover. The top bar generally the length of these top bar is 19 long, 1 inches wide and 7 to 8 inches thick. It has a groove-like structure like the Huffman top bar. It is covered with the metal spacing devices on each end of the opposite faces. The next bar is a side bar. In the side bar, it is a sidebar generally which is present in each bar made up of 3 to 8 inches thick wood. It is 3 to 3 inches long and 1 inches wide. There are 4 holes on each sidebar. हे जे दिसतात तिथं, these are the 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 holes. Generally, they are present in the each side bar. या साइड बारच्या बाजूला हे 4 होल्स असतात फॉर वायरिंग द फ्रेम. याच्यामध्ये फ्रेम करण्यासाठी वायर काय केली जाते, आत होल मधून घेतली जाते. आता नेक्स्ट इज द बॉटम बार. इन द बॉटम बार इट इज 16 to 78 inches long, 1 inches wide and 3 to 8 inches thick. Both the type of the frames are spaced apart to leave the B space by width of the upper third of the side bars. By nailing the 2 staples on the ends of the top bar to the opposite sides of the frame, they staple spaced frames. And the next is the super. Super means a deep super. These are the structure. This is the super. The supers are like a broad box without a cover. And the
हॅलो मॅम.
मॅडम बोला.
हा, आज कोणतं तरी वर्कशॉप आहे, सगळी मुलं तिकडे जॉईन झालीत, त्यामुळे आज लेक्चरला जास्त कोण नाहीये.
काय झालं तुमचं, कुठल्या लेक्चरला जॉईन झाली? हॅलो,
वर्कशॉप आहे कोणतं तरी.
मग किती मुलं आलेत, किती, हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स आर प्रेझेंट?
4-5च आहेत स्टुडंट.
कसं काय?
मग तिकडे सगळे वर्कशॉपला जॉईन झालेत त्यामुळे.
मग तशी तुम्हाला नोटीस होती का आज लेक्चर होणार नाही म्हणून?
नाही, तसं काही नव्हतं सांगितलं.
पण
मुलं म्हणतायत की
नाही कशाबद्दल लेक्चर होतं आज तुमचं?
सुरू आहे तिकडे वर्कशॉप, हेल्थ बद्दल काहीतरी आहे.
हेल्थ बद्दल? पण त्याची नोटीस आहे का तुम्हाला?
हो, कोळी सरांनी मेसेज केलाय सकाळी. तसा
केलाय मेसेज? काय म्हणून केलाय मेसेज?
वर्कशॉपला जॉईन करा म्हणून.
हा, वर्कशॉपला
जॉईन करा.
मग तसे आम्हाला नोटीस का देत नाहीत ते? टीचरना नको का द्यायला? जसं स्टुडंटला देत आहेत मग तसं आम्ही इथं हे करणार आहे की नाही? तर कोळी सरांना मी विचारते, थांबा जरा 5 मिनिटं थांबा.
येस मिस.
चालेल का? माझा मोबाईल दे. माझा मोबाईल दे. अगं मुलं सगळी वर्कशॉपला गेले, ते 5 स्टुडंट बोलतो. फोन करते. अगं 10 स्टुडंट आहेत की ग. हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो.
हा, किती? 10 स्टुडंट, 9 स्टुडंट आहेत अगं आता माझ्याकडे, दिसतात माझ्या स्क्रीनवरती.
हा, पण रोज जास्त असतात, 25-26 असतात रोज.
थांब की मी विचारते कोळी सरांना, कारण तसं आम्हाला इंटिमेशन द्यायला पाहिजे ना, म्हणजे आम्ही कशाला लेक्चर घेऊ ना. मग नाही तर आम्ही लेक्चर मध्ये यायचं, तो थोडे विद्यार्थी असणार, थोडे नसणार, एक काय ते तुम्हाला मेसेज दिलाय का कोळी सरांनी तसा?
हा
हॅलो.
जॉईन करा म्हणून सांगितलं.
मी काय मेसेज वाचलाच नाहीये. मी आपलं सरळ मग तुम्ही का नाही जॉईन झाला ग तिकडं? हॅलो. हॅलो.
हॅलो.
मग काय करायचं लेक्चर घ्यायचं का तिकडे जॉईन होता तुम्ही? काय करताय?
तुम्ही सांगा तिकडे जॉईन व्हायचं असेल तर तिकडे होतो जॉईन.
मग ते 9 विद्यार्थ्यांना कसं कळणार ना मी हे काय शिकवते ते? अगदी
हा
महत्वाचं आहे.
चालेल मग हा पण ह्याच्यानंतर पण नाही ना होणार प्रॅक्टिकल वगैरे काय?
काय माहिती आता मला तर काही कल्पनाच नाहीये. कोळी सरांचं आहेत ना ते मेन. आणि कोळी सर मला
उद्या पण
माहिती.
आहे वर्कशॉप ते.
हा
उद्या सुद्धा आहे ते वर्कशॉप.
होय. कसलं वर्कशॉप आहे ग?
स्टुडंट काउन्सिल सेल तर्फे आहे कोणतं तरी हेल्थ साठी म्हणजे हेल्थ बद्दल काय इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगणार असतील काय माहिती.
त्या ह्यांचं हमीद ह्यांचं आहे का आज लेक्चर?
बघितलंच नाही ते 12 वाजता आली ती नोटीस.
होय. मग आता 12 ते 1 वाजायला आलाच की. हा. मग
हा
चालेल मग मी बंद करते लेक्चर काय
हा करा बंद.
हा करते बंद.